All right, man. Check this out, man. For all my Cadillac fans out there. Man, oh man. Check out what just came into the yard. It just came in yesterday. And of course, didn't know about it till today, so they took a couple of things off of it. But, yeah. 1972 Cadillac Coupe Deville, man. Look at this thing. Man. Look at that. What's that, about 50 feet long? Yeah, she had the the V there and the Cadillac emblem there, the hood ornament stuff. They took that. They also took the hood hinges. So you can imagine that hood was sitting right here. So I put it back up there. And that's one heavy hood. That is a heavy freaking hood. Let's check this out, man. I think this car's been sitting. Oh man, looks like part of it. Got 1991 here from Air Force Base, Carswell. Not sure where that's at. I'm not originally from Texas, so I don't know. That's from around here. Windshield's busted. Yeah, I'm thinking it's 91. Car been sitting good while. She had a top on her. I don't know how long ago it's been taken off, but I don't see any hail damage. She does got some rust back here though, around the edges of where the back window is. She did have skirts, but who knows what happened to them. They bitched her up right here. That looks all pretty new, so I'd say that's the yard doing that. Can't really get a good shot here because this piece of crap Monte Carlo's and right behind it. But these taillights look okay actually. Not too bad. Yeah. That bumper's actually, I think the bumper's actually in decent shape. The only thing that's kind of warped maybe is this rubber piece here. I think the yard, forklift pulled it up to get under in the trunk there. I don't know if that was caused. I don't know if that was recently or not. Yeah, I think this might have been recently too. Yeah. So the deck lid is bitched up. Let's go around the other way. This car actually came from an auction, not like a. I think these places usually get stuff from like a. What's that freaking Copart, shit like that. This actually came from one of these local. It has some of the cars that I bought off the auctions. They're just like this, but I'm not sure. This one came somewhere around here from Fort Worth, but there's the VIN on it. Those bezels look okay. Yeah, that bumper looks all right. Grill looks to be in good shape. I don't see no issues there. I think they also took these deals here, the indicators there. It's got some crack there. Probably one's got cracks too. The hood, I want to say it's in good shape. I don't think I damaged it putting it back up here, and whoever it is that took it off didn't really damage it either. So this door's pretty straight. I don't think I see a dent on this hood, on this door. Same for this fender. Yeah, like I said, the auctions I go to usually have this written on there and have this deal like that on the car, and they'll also have that non-runner when it's a non-runner. So I'd like to know which auction that was around here. Look at that. Nice view with the sun behind it. Yeah, Looks good there, except for the except for this little bit of issue right here, this rust. Yeah, but pretty much straight car. That tail light looks all right too. Definitely usable. So what we got in the trunk, man? Junk in the trunk. Nothing really. Bumper jack. Some springs, some front springs. I don't think they go to this. They wouldn't have gone to this car, I don't think. And that's pretty much about it, you know. Yeah. Yeah, that's about it. Channels here, even though they had all this crap here, they seem to have still survived, you know. This usually holds all that moisture and then oh, there we go. No. See, it got it right there. See that? See, that's what happens when it sits there for so long. Yeah, I got it over there too. Yeah. Oh well. Oh well. Let's take a look underneath real quick. I need something to lay on here. And kind of second. Real quick, I didn't really take a look at it underneath, so. See how badly she is underneath. What condition? Okay. Yeah, floorboards. Got holes in them. Back floorboards too. Yeah. Yeah, up here too. All that right there. Yep. Pretty rusty underneath. At least the floorboards. Oops. That rear end. She ain't a posse. Oh shit, bust my ass here. Yeah. You can see rust right there. Holes up under here. Take a look inside real quick. Oh, 06 of 72. Yeah, that seems like she's been sitting for about 91. Oh yeah, dash pad is cracked. Mold. Ignition switch. Looks like it might be messed up. She's, of course, she's got a telescoping and tilt column. Anybody know of these? I know already they had changed the design of 77 from 70 to 71. I wonder if they'll fit my Pontiac Executive. Anybody know if that column would swap in for a 70 model Pontiac? I don't know. I like this cool way they have the you see that? The wipers are over here on the door. The switch for them. Power locks. Power windows. Power bench. What's that mileage on there? See it? Sorry about that, man. That sucks. I freaking hit the screen on my phone. I cut off the camera app on it. AM FM. Thought she had a CB player. I mean CB radio. I don't have a CB player. I'm tripping, man. Ugh. Come on. forget, what's that deal back there, man? That little deal right back there. Ah, man, I can't remember what it was. Of course, headliners all. That's interesting. They were using. I've never seen that. Man, using coat hangers to hold it up. Gotta be resourceful, you know. Check out the other side over there real quick, and then we'll see if I can raise this hood enough to hold it up. Because man, that thing is ridiculously heavy. Like I said, this interior is trashed. It's pretty well gone. This is popped out. I pushed it back in. We got an old things like all chewed up. And some Bayer aspirin. That's about it. Yeah. I wonder if I could swap the power mechanism, you know, the tracks onto mine, if that comes off. These bench seats usually ain't that expensive in these yards like this. Door closes good too. Well, let's take a look under the hood, man. And I know that plate is right there, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get to it, man. All right, let's see. Oh boy, this is freaking heavy. Woo. And under the hood, looks like we're missing the compressor. You know, maybe somebody was gonna pull that engine at one point. Been sitting for a while though. It's a 472. Of course, by 72, I think. Can you see that? I can't see my screen from here. I'm trying to hold this hood up. But... Uh-oh. Yeah. I don't know. I can't see my screen too well. I'm trying to hold this hood up, but yeah. Let's see if I can get to that data plate. I don't know if I'll be able to do it, man. Yeah. There we go. Alright. Set it back down where it crushes my freaking hand. There we go. So yeah, by 72, man, I think these things didn't have much power, at least, you know, compared to when they first came out. I think 68 or something like that. So that 472. Yeah. I think even the torque was probably way down too. But there it is, man. There she is. Man. You know, she sold, I'm willing to bet 200 bucks. Yard bought it for about 200 bucks, somewhere around there. Yeah. Take that off there. So I get a nice shot of it. Yeah. Well, I guess that's gonna do it for her, man. Shame, she still got some good parts on her though. Alright, man. On to the next one.